Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm talking about red clover. So this is the herbal medicine. I'll be talking about some of the properties of red clover, its uses and benefits. So the technical name is Trifolium Pretense, and it is usually the flowering head, which you've probably seen on your lawn if you don't have a perfectly manicured lawn. This is a common weed, or what people will call a weed, but it is a herbal medicine that grows quite often, especially here in Canada in our summer months. And so it has different chemical properties, including genistein, which is hormone balancing for women, which is known as a phytoestrogen. And I know that phytoestrogens have gotten a bad rap over the years, which I, in my opinion, don't agree with necessarily, because we know that phytoestrogens can be very protective, especially for women and for balancing hormones. It's also rich in flavonoids, volatile oils, and coumarin. So this has a lot to do with blood clotting and can be very efficient and helping at maintaining proper blood flow. Red clover is also known to be an expectorant, so it's used for coughs, things like whooping cough, and even asthma, helping to open up the bronchioles to help for that proper airflow. It's also known as an alterative, which is used successfully for skin conditions, so things like eczema and rashes, also psoriasis. The red clover can be used for those. So the way that you prepare the flowering tops of the red clover is you pick them and let them dry out for a few days, and then you're going to use 1 to 3 teaspoons of boiling water and pour that over those herb tops and allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And you can drink, so this is now like your red clover tea, you can drink this up to 3 times a day. So it is also known to be very protective against osteoporosis and menopausal symptoms, again because of those phytoestrogen effects. Red clover is also known to help with anxiety and helps with the beauty of your skin and your hair. So one study showed this, the supplementation of 80 milligrams of red clover isoflavones daily over the course of 90 days appeared to be able to increase skin and hair quality. So that's great for the beauty benefits as well. Can also help with dryness in the eyes and libido issues, sleep disturbances, and these have all been proven in the literature to help as compared to a placebo. So we can see that red clover has a lot of medicinal benefits. Don't just walk over it, stomp it out, or try to get rid of it on your lawns. Do what I do, pick those flowering buds, dry them out, and drink the tea. It's great for your overall health and of course the beauty benefits as well. I hope that you learned something new today. If you do have questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. Be sure to share this video as well and give me a big thumbs up. I truly appreciate all of your great feedback. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe and also click that bell to turn on your notifications so you're always aware of my newest and latest uploads. And remember to always take good care of your health and do it naturally. Thanks for watching.